G'day, here's 4 little examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from the Winton area. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. First piece, colour down the bottom there, or you could make it into a pendant with this potch around the outside. Second bit, a little bit of colour through the middle here, fire, mostly just a picture stone, potch and colour. Stone there, I'll be cutting that off. And this small piece, beautiful dark purple. Don't know if it's showing up there very well in this video, hard to tell on my screen. There's the fire in it there. Make a nice little stone, it's semi-crystal. It's the boulder backing that giving it more colour. It's nice and thick. Anyway, they are what they are for the price. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.